Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take a minute and make a really quick video talking about the angel eyes on this E39 M5. Now, you can see that I've swapped out the factory halogen bulbs for these LEDs. This is a set of 6K plug-and-play LEDs, so I have no coding that I have to do to the car, no warning messages. Now, the reason why I did this is because I felt that the factory halogen bulbs, the color was a lot warmer and did not match the Xenon headlights. So if I was running the car with the halogen bulbs during the day with just the angel eyes, it was dim, but I felt it fit the car fairly well for the age, and the color wasn't that great. But if I had the headlights on with them right next to each other, you can see that the colors just didn't match, and for me it did not look right at all. And the same goes for the fog lights, where they just don't match the headlights either. So I know it's real common, a lot of guys will go ahead and do retrofits in these headlights, and they change the Xenon projectors, and they also install full LED rings for the angel eyes. And I wanted to be careful on this car because I don't want to modernize it too much. I really want to keep it feeling like it was from back in the early 2000s. So I tried to find a bulb that was a good compromise. It would give me a good bluer coloring that matched the Xenons. So when I first put these angel eyes in, it was in the dark, and I'll be honest with you, I felt that they were way too bright. They're overpowering and made the car look far more modern than I wanted, and I actually didn't think I was going to run them. Then I realized that I'm not going to be running the car in the dark with just the halos. I'll have the headlights on. So once I put the headlights on, I actually felt that the angel eyes to the headlights had a good balance. And as you can see out here today, it's pretty overcast, so it's not even as bright as it normally would be, and the brightness of them is just perfect. They're not overpowering, and they suit me just fine. They're not the brightest, they're not the dimmest. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, it's an easy plug and play, so if I ever want to swap back to the other bulbs. Anyways, for any of you guys that are thinking about doing LEDs and the angel eyes, here's what a 6K and a factory setup looks like. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the channel. Please check out my other videos. Like, subscribe, give me your comments below. Thanks for watching.